Welcome back, Safari-ers.
Hydrate. We're excited to share with you kind of a newer program that doTERRA has. It is their wellness program. Now, this is great for, I feel like, people who are like, all right, I have, issues with sleeping, or I have issues with pain management or mood management. What is out there for me? And doTERRA has designed something that is great for you. So they come in little packages. There is a sample. Let's do this one. They will come like this. Look at this like neoprene awesomeness. And inside each, there's like different categories. Inside each one are tools, oils, products, special limited time stuff.
Things you can't get any other way.
Like special gifts that are specifically focused on the need. So there are 5 different kits right now. There's respiratory, mood
management, sleep, pain management,
and there's immunity,
immune support.
So here's a couple different ones, and we thought that we would share with you how to order these, why they're cool, and then over the next few days we will share with you what's in each one of these kits. Sound good?
That's perfect.
Okay, so Jen, let's say I'm like, you know what, I'm really having a hard time sleeping, but I don't know what to use. I don't know what to try. I am at my wit's end. I'm overwhelmed when I look at the website because it's like so many different options.
There's so many things. Yes. And I love that we use that it can be overwhelming. So you've just gotten started. Maybe you've just purchased your kit and you're feeling like, okay, there's 9,000 products in doTERRA. What do I try next? And especially for mood or sleep or even respiratory, people will ask me what to try. And I'm like, well, you could try this, or this. Yeah. And that can be so overwhelming. And so what I would invite you to do is figure out your area that you want to focus on the most in regards to your health. I think for many, many people, it's sleep or mood. I think, excuse me.
And funny how those are related.
Sleep or mood are huge things, and they can be a little bit overwhelming to try to figure out, what to do. So my sleep kit, we can actually open it now.
Okay, let's do it.
So with these kits, they come, so this is like a subscription box, right? They come preset, so you're not picking what's in it, and it's all going to be stuff to do with sleep. And there's a gratitude journal.
What? This is adorable. Okay, so it has like day 1, dreams, talks about dreams. Day 2, stillness. Oh my gosh, I have never seen the inside of this.
I haven't either because I hadn't opened it yet.
I love it. Okay, what else is in here?
So there's a gratitude journal.
Oh, look at this. Explain these.
Bath salts.
Are these, what flavor are these?
They're not, so you can add what you want to it.
They're just straight up. Oh.
So like if you need a relaxing bath before you go to bed, that can be a really good option.
Oh my gosh, these.
The Serenity
Teach
soft
me about
gels.
these, yes.
So, I am somebody who struggles with sleep, and I have tried prescription medications before, and here is my gripe with them. Do they work? Yeah, for 3 days.
The one dose.
The one dose.
Groggy for 3 days.
And I am so tired. Like, if I ever take anything for sleeping, the entire next day, I just want to sleep. I'm narcoleptic Nate. Narcoleptic Nancy is who I am. So I like doTERRA's Serenity soft gels. See if I can get this to focus in. Because what they are is they're just little brown supplements that you can take. You take 1 to 2 about 30 minutes before you go to bed, and it helps you to fall asleep and stay asleep. But it also is not going to, like I had a lady that was afraid to take them because she's like, my grandbaby's gonna be born any day and I don't wanna miss the phone call. And I was like, you won't sleep through your phone call and you won't be groggy driving there. Like you'll be able to get a good restful night's sleep. So the Serenity soft gels are a really good option for good restful night's sleep, and you won't feel hungover for the next 3 days.
Okay, so then, man, they've got full bottles of oil here. Teach me about these.
Okay, cedarwood. So I love cedarwood for sleeping, especially if it's mixed with like the Serenity or even Balance oil.
So what do you do with those? Do you rub them on your body? Throw them in your diffuser?
You can make like a little pillow spray that you spray all over. You could put some on your feet. You could throw some in a diffuser. But what I like about this kit is it's giving you multiple options. And then next month, you're gonna get even more things to try.
Yes. And this is the Calmer Restful Blend. This is taken from the children's collection. And maybe you have a little person who doesn't like to sleep as much as you like to sleep.
Funny enough, I do have one. I have a 5-year-old that still wants to sleep in my bed every night, and he ends up in my bed most nights.
Bless his heart.
And I was watching videos on my phone, and when he was a newborn baby, he was also in my bed. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
I'm gonna
So
give
this comes in a convenient roller. I'm not going to open this because it's sealed.
I'm seriously gonna put him. He keeps asking me, "What can I do to fall asleep?" Calmer.
This right here.
It's clearly gonna save my life.
He can rub it on the bottoms of his feet.
Yeah.
He can rub it. Where else would you recommend? Wrists.
Wrists, on the back of his neck, his collarbone.
Anywhere where he can smell it. Okay, so what is in here? We have got lavender. We've got Kananga.
Oh, that was it. Yeah.
That's a carrier oil.
No, it's an oil.
Buddha wood and Roman chamomile, all
relaxing
famous
oils.
Well, I don't know about the whatever.
Kananga?
Yeah, I don't know about that one. But the other ones I do know are good for sleep. So here we are. We have them combined. We have them diluted, especially for kids. And something that I love about roller bottles is when they're diluted like this. My kid is like, I can't sleep. I'm like, here.
Yeah, huck them in oil. Go to sleep.
This is for you now.
You probably don't do that. That's probably why your kids are better behaved than mine.
This is for you now. This stays by the side of your bed. You're in charge of helping yourself fall asleep.
Yeah,
And you can put this on. And I don't have to worry about it.
And it's safe for anybody of any age. And even if your pet was to get into it, it'll be fine.
So to review, we've got stuff for like a calming bath before bed. We've got oils to put in the diffuser.
Or you could put these in your bath salts that you have.
Oh, good idea.
And then Serenity soft gels. And then you've got 2 more months of options. So this is just month 1.
And a gratitude journal. Okay, so how do you order this? What do I do?
So all you do is you will sign up for your wellness program and you'll pick immunity. I'm trying to think of the technical terms of them. So there's immunity, there's mood, there's the sleep one, there's respiratory.
And then relief is the pain one.
The relief kit. So just pick which one you want and it will put month 1 in your cart. It will process that month. This can only be done on your loyalty rewards program. It will automatically give you month 2 on month 2 and then automatically give you month 3. At the end of month 3, you either want to take that off your order or add on a new program. So maybe you started with sleep and next you want to try mood. The cool thing about these is they're very affordable. They're $60. Are they 60 PV? Are they $70?
I think they're $70.
I need to look it up. $75. One moment, I will look it up real quick.
They're discounted.
They are. And what's nice is it really does take the confusion and I actually have them on my LRP so I can look it up really fast. But it makes it really simple and it makes it not confusing, especially if you're new to oils and you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed.
And I like, some things are going to work for you and some things aren't.
Yeah.
If you watched our skincare videos, things that work for Jen don't work for me because I don't know if you guys knew this, but our bodies are different.
We're different skin types.
So, you're going to want to tinker around and find the combination of things that work for you, for sleep, for mood management, for pain relief, whatever it is. And I like that.
Ooh, I'm excited about this month 3.
Gives you a sample to do that.
Oh my goodness.
What do you see?
Okay, so
month 1 we just looked at for sleep. Month 2 you would get a whole different kit to add to your collection of sleep things. And month 3 Jen's looking at and I'm like very intrigued.
This is awesome. Okay, so there is another gratitude journal, but they have Serenity pillow spray. They have a balanced roller. They have bergamot mint. You can't buy bergamot mint any other way.
Can you even buy the Serenity spray right now?
They have peace roller, and then I think that's a Serenity bath oil. Oh my gosh. Adaptive. They have they have 5 oils, a spray, and a bath oil. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, they're $75 each. And so affordable. I mean, I'm getting that's like $10 a product. That's incredible. And it's natural, it's safe, it works for you, works for your kids.
Here's something that I actually just
so excited about this.
When you are selecting your kit and you scroll down to the bottom of whatever you're looking at, your phone, your iPad, your computer screen, you will see additional products kind of in that category that doTERRA has.
Give you some recommendations.
That you can get at a discount.
Yeah.
I did not know this. I did not know this.
It's awesome.
So now you know, once you enroll in or sign yourself up for this 3-month subscription box, you can also add products on at a discount.
At a cheaper price.
That's a special price.
And this respiratory kit is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Raven Sarah, you can't even buy that. Okay, you guys, sign up for your wellness programs.
Jen will be getting like all 5 at
I
the
will
same
be getting
time.
all of them and putting the extras in bags, and I'll be hoarding it because I love these things. All right, take care, my little safariers.